out by parting the wind and parting killer. He want to eat me right now, but I'm not gonna let it happen. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, first of all, first and foremost, second and foremost, and everything else, and happy Hanukkah. Oh, we already passed that. Okay, never mind. That's right there where y'all need to be at. You hear me? That's the time, baby. That's nephew right there, man. Like I say, parting the wind again, but yeah, it really needed. Yeah. Yeah, on Bible. On Bible, it really needed. You feel me? Look at the wheels, dog. Yeah. It needed. It needed. Yeah, for real. Man, it was so bad back here. I had to do a little something myself. Don't worry though, it probably rain tomorrow. That's normally how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Wash the car. Then it rain. It might even rain today, tonight. That's how the Lord just. Yeah, that's how He just do me. He just do me wrong. I don't know why the Lord got to do me like that. Right. You. Cause she's dirty, boy. Jeez. She hurt you. But that's all right, though. They're about to get it right. Y'all see it, though. Yeah. Stay tuned. On Bible. Yes, sir. Got them getting it right, you heard me? Lego. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Activate. Now.
JP Chevy.
Now, we ain't even done yet now, but she already looking like got dang on Red Hot Chili Peppers herself. Oh. Ooh, been a long time coming. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, look here while we right here though, man. That's my brother. Used to be my cousin, blessed hands, now it's my brother. You know what I'm saying? Little Project Jones. She nice though. She nasty too. Little Project Jones. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my old car club, Plus Performance. Man, cuz put these stickers on here a long time ago and they still up on here, you heard me? Look at that. On Bible, they still up on there. That's crazy. Yeah. Man. Hey man, y'all make sure y'all holler at Quality. You know what I'm saying? In Charlotte. God almighty. Look at that thing. Look where I done came from. Huh? I went from dirty to clean. Dirty to clean. Yes, sir. Good God almighty. Yeah. Make sure y'all holler at it. You know what I'm saying? He on all the sites, you know. Facebook, Instagram. Nip, you on TikTok? Yep, TikTok. Snapchat. He on all of them. Anything you can think of, he on them. You can get a hold of him. Just look for him. Yeah. Hey, look, let me get up off this thing because it's windy, man. And I know if I know my microphone right. It's picking that all up. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, man, and make sure y'all hit up Quality, man. Now, where they can find you? I know on FB it's John Wick. And when he say John Wick, he really mean John Wick on Bible. You heard me? don't come foolish, cause I hate to have to come to your funeral saying, man, he was a good dude, but he wasn't smart. You feel me? Hey, he said that's good enough though, John Wick. Holla at him. Those that's in Charlotte and surrounding areas, trust me and believe, you will be happy. Good God Almighty, but the thing look like it just came off the showroom floor. Sheesh. God, so I about don't even want to drive her now. Just let her sit here. She's too clean. Put her in the garage. Put her in the garage, man. Hey, man, I'm out. I'm out.
But I don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it, man. I mean, dudes get it.
Yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload.